Primary School, Bagalkot, for mathematics class of standard 7. In the previous class, we have done exercise 9.1 part 1. In that already we have completed up to 4 mains. Fifth main is this one. You take the heading of the fifth main since it is very big. You have to take from your textbook. Just I have drawn it, whatever is given now that I have drawn, and I will explain it. You go on seeing what it is and then we will find out what we are needed. You just observe this number line here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the same way left side is -1, -2, -3, -4. You just observe here in between see 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, always we will have the same parts. Okay, the same way now if 2 to 3 is 3 parts here 1, 2, 3, automatically the same will be there in between 1 and 2 also. So 1, 2, 3 parts. The same way 3 to 4, 1, 2, 3 parts. The same way here 1, 2, here also there will be 3 parts. The same will be continued. Here now seeing this, see 1 means what? Here in this 3 parts are there. 3 parts means this will be 3 by 3. Here in the bracket we will write here. You can take if you want. 3 by 3 means what? 1. 2 means what? 6 by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are, this is 2. 6 by 3. 3 means what? 9 by 3. Okay. Now if it is 6 by 3, what about this? This will be 7 by 3 and this will be 8 by 3. I hope you are following, very easy. Okay, then this will be 9 by 3 as usual and this is a 3. The same way will come to this side also. Whatever is there in the positive side, the same thing will be in the negative side. Same parts will be there. Here 0 to 1 also, -1 also, 3 parts, 1 and 2 and this is 3. If it is -1 means this will be -3 by 3 and if it is -2 means -6 by 2. Okay, if it is -6 by 2, if this is -3 by 3, what about this? -3 by 3 and this is -4 by 3, -4 by 3. The small sharp pencil you can write, and this is -5 by 3 and this is -6 by 3. -6 by 3 means 3 ones are 3 twos are, this is -2. So now by seeing this, what we have to name here? They ask us to name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R, S and TR equal to RS equal to SU. TR equal to RS equal to SU. And also they have given that AP equal to PQ equal to QB. That means equal distance means in each part equal distance. Seeing that, now we calculated what are those. So by seeing this, where is P? P is here. P, how much is the P? P is equal to 7 by 3. Okay. Then what about Q? Q is equal to 8 by 3. Then also we have to name R. R equal to, see where is R? R is equal to here R. R is here -3 by 3 and this is -4 by 3. And then S is equal to, one more S we have to write, S equal to -5 by 3. So this is what, how to find out the not given rational numbers by the given rational numbers. Okay, I hope you understood. Then the same way, next one, the sixth main we will do now. What is the sixth main? Which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Same rational number, on cancellation we will get the same rational number. If it is the same, we have to say, otherwise they are different. So the first one is, you take the heading -7 by 21 and 3 by 9. See now, 7 ones are 7 threes are, 3 ones are, here see 7 ones are 7 threes are, this is -1 by 3 and 3 ones are 3 threes are, this is 1 by 3. Are they same, -1 by 3 and 1 by 3? No, not same. So they are not same, that means they are different. These are different. Then which are same, like this we have to find out. Then second one, what it is? Minus 16. Second one, minus 16 by 20 and 20 by minus 25. See, 4 4s are 4 5s are. This is nothing but minus 4 by 5. And this is 5 4s are 5 5s are. This is 4 by minus 5. That means that this implies that minus 4 by 5 is equal to 4 by minus 5 are same. So next one, the third one, they are 6 are there. So 4 I will do, remaining you have to do. Third one, minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3. See, minus by minus is plus. This implies that 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Minus 2 by minus 3 and 2 by 3 are same rational number, are same. Okay. Then next, fourth one, minus 3 by 5, minus 3 by 5 and minus 12 by 20, minus 12 by 20. See now, this is 4 3s are 4 5s are. So this implies that minus 3 by 5 and this is nothing but minus 3 by 5 is. So minus 12 by 20, minus 12 by 20 are same. Now 4 over. Fifth one, 8 by minus 5, 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15. See now, this implies that 8 by minus 5, you see 3 8s are 3 5s are, and this also will be minus 8 by 5. So this implies that 8 by minus 5 and minus 24 by 15 are same. Next comes sixth one. The same way, sixth one will do 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9. See, this is 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 are different only. We cannot cancel them, and they are in the simplified form. They are different only. We cannot cancel them. Then the last one, that is the seventh one, is minus 5 by minus 9 and 5 by minus 9. See, this implies that minus by minus 9 is, this is 5 by 9 only, and this is 5 by 9, and 5 by minus 9 is, this is negative. So are different. Here we can write that minus 5 by minus 9 is equal to 5 by 9 and are different. So this is what the sixth main completed. Now next one, that is seventh main will do. Seventh main, rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. Seventh main, first one, 8 minus 8 by 6. Already I explained you how to find out the reduced form of the simplest form. See, minus 8 by 6 divided by 2 divided by 2. Okay, minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Next, 25 by 45. Second one, 25 by 45. 25 by 5 divided by 45 by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 45 by 5 is 9. 5 by 9 is the simplest form. Then next one, the third one, that is minus 44 by 72. Minus 44 by 72. Minus 44 divided by 2 divided by 72 by 2, that is minus 22 by 36, and also we can divide this one by 2. This is minus 11 by 18 is the simplest form. And the last one, that is fourth one, minus 8 by 10. Minus 8 by 10 is minus 8 divided by 4. 10 divided by, sorry, not 4, we'll divide by 2. So this is minus 4 by 5 is the simplest form. Okay, so this is what the seventh main we completed. Then you take this and continue. See the eighth main, that is fill in the boxes with the correct symbol out of greater, smaller and equal. First one, minus 5 by 7. Here there is a box, here you have to put the symbol 2 by 3. See now cross multiplication will do. 3 into minus 5 is minus 15 and 2 sevens are 14. Here which is smaller? Minus 15 is smaller. Okay. Minus 15 means minus 5 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 3. So in the box we get this symbol. So like this you have to do. We will do one by one. Second one, minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Box minus 5 by 7. See now cross multiplication we will do. 7 fours are minus 28. Then here minus 25. Minus 28 is smaller than minus 25. So this indicates that see now the eighth main. In the eighth main, fill in the blanks with the correct symbol greater, smaller and equal. How to do this? See, first one I am doing here. Minus 5 by 7. Here there is a box, you have to put either greater, smaller or equal, and here 2 by 3. See, different denominators are there. We have to equalize those and it is easy for us to write the symbol here. How to equalize? See, minus 5 by 7 into here 7 and 3, 21 is the LCM. So you have to multiply by 3 by 3, minus 15 by 21 and 2 by 3 is there now, into 7 by 7 is equal to 7 to the 14 and this is 21. See, both the denominators are same. Better this one we will do there. 2 by 3 into 7 by 7 is equal to 14 by 21. Side by side is easy for you to compare. See, this is minus 15 and this is 14. Which is smaller now? Minus 15 is smaller than 14. So here we have to use the symbol that is smaller. minus 5 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 3. So like this we can compare. Now the second one, what it is we will see. Minus 4 by 5. Here there is a box. Minus 5 by 7. See here 7 5 are 35 is the LCM, so we have to equalize it. Minus 4 by 5 into 7 by 7 is equal to minus 28 by 35. The same way, minus 5 by 7 into 5 by 5, that is minus 25 by 35. See here 35 35 both the denominators are same. This is minus 28, this is minus 25. Which is greater here? Minus 25 is greater, this is smaller. So automatically minus 4 by 5 is smaller than minus 5 by 7. So like this you can use the symbol here very easily. And then the third one is minus 7 by 8. Minus 7 by 8, and there is a box that is 14 by minus 16. Okay, here see 8 is there, here 16 is there. We will equalize the denominators. How? By multiplying this one by 2 by 2. Not every time, no need to take the LCM, just we equalize. Here 2 by 2 and this is 1 by 1. See here minus 7 by 8 into 2 by 2. This is nothing but minus 14 by 16. Then the same way 14 by minus 16 into 1 by 1. See now this is nothing but 14 by minus 16. Both are same. Minus 14 by 16 is equal to 14 by minus 16. This indicates that both are equal. So this here equal sign will come. The same way the fourth one here actually this number is put 1 2 3. So this is fourth one. Minus 8 by 5 box minus 7 by 4. See here, this will make 20, this also will make 20. What happens we'll see. Minus 8 by 5 into 4 by 4 is minus 32 by 20. The same way, minus 7 by 4 into 5 by 5 is minus 35 by 20. Minus 35, here it is minus 32. Which is greater here? This is greater. So automatically this symbol will come. Okay. The same way now we will do the fifth one. 1 by minus 3. Here there is a box. Minus 1 by 4. See? Minus 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by minus 3. We will equalize by multiplying. So minus 1 by 3 into 4 by 4 is nothing but minus 4 by 12. The same way minus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4 we will do minus 3 by 6. Here see, this is 12. Minus 3 by 12 and here it is minus 4 by 12. Which is greater? Minus 3 is greater. That means minus 4 is smaller. Minus 4 is smaller than minus 3 means automatically this will be smaller than this. Okay. So this is what the fourth one. Then next comes, there is the fifth one I have done. Now the sixth one. 5 by minus 11 minus 5 by 11. Here see, both are equal. This is nothing but plus by minus is minus 5 by 11 is equal to minus 5 by 11. So here is equal to sign will come. Then next comes seventh one, that is 0, and here there is a box minus 7 by 6. Minus 7 by 6. So here see, always 0 on the number line you see 0 is greater than the negative numbers. So 0 is greater than the negative numbers. This is what with common sense also we can write this. So this is what the 8th main of exercise 9.1. Now the 9th main. Now the 9th main, we have to write which is greater in each of the following. First one, 2 by 3, 5 by 2. Better we do cross multiplication and we can do, or with the equalizing the denominators also we can write. Now 2 2s are here, 2 into 2 is 4, cross multiplication like this, and 3 5s are 15. Okay, and 3 into 5 is 15. Which is smaller, which is greater here? This is 3 5s are 15. That means 5 by 2 is greater. This indicates that 5 by 2 is greater. Then second one, minus 5 by 6 minus 5 by minus 4 by 3. See here, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, minus 4 into 6 is minus 24. Which is greater here? This is greater, minus 15 is greater. So this implies that minus 5 by 6 is greater. 6 is greater. Okay. Then the next comes minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, 2 by minus 3, 2 by minus 3. See here, this implies that minus 3 into minus 3 is 9, 4 into 2 is 8. Which is greater now? 9 is greater. 9 is greater means minus 3 by 4 is greater. Minus 3 by 4 is greater. Then the next one, that is the fourth one, minus 1 by 4. 1 by 4. This is minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Then 1 into 4 is 4, which is greater here. This is greater, so 1 by 4 is greater. Next, fifth one, that is minus 3 integer 2 by 7 minus 3 integer 4 by 5. See here, 7 is a 21 plus 2 minus 23 by 7. 5 is a 15 plus 4 minus 19 by 5. So here LCM is 35, or we equalize the denominator, minus 23 by 7 into 5 by 5 minus 19 by 5 into 7 by 7. See here, 5 3s are 15, carrying 1, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 minus 115 by 35, and this is 63, carrying 6 minus 30 by 35. In this, which is greater? This is greater, because minus 15 is smaller, no? That will be the greater. So this implies that minus 3 integer 2 by 7 is greater. So some big numbers can be done like this without any hesitation, or with taking the LCM we can find out like this. Hello students, now the 10th main. In the 10th main, what we have to do? We have to arrange them in the ascending order. Write in ascending order. So first one, see what is there. First one, minus 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. See here all the denominators are same. So very easy to arrange them in the ascending order. Ascending means the smallest one is the first. Here which is the smallest? This is the smallest one. Therefore the ascending order is minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5. Smaller to bigger. Finish. Next one is second one. Minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 4 by 3. Here see, we will take the LCM, that is 9. Okay, 9 is the LCM. Minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 3 is minus 3 by 9. Then minus 2 by 9 is there already. Second one. Now minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 3. That is minus 12 by 9. Now we will arrange this in the ascending order. Then this is the smallest one is minus 12 by 9. Minus 12 by 9 is the smallest. Afterwards minus 2 by 9. 2 by 9. And then afterwards minus 3 by 9, this one. And then minus 2 by 9. So minus 12 by 9 is what? Therefore the ascending order is minus 12 by 9 means minus 4 by 9. Minus 4 by 3. And then afterwards, which is that? Minus 3 by 9. Minus 3 by 9 is minus 1 by 3. And then next comes minus 2 by 9. This is what? Ascending order. Then the last one, third main, that is minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 4. Here see, LCM of 7 to 4 is 28. LCM of 7 to 4 is 28. So minus 3 by 7 into 4 by 4 is minus 12 by 28. Then minus 3 by 2 into here 14 we have to multiply. 42. For minus 42 divided by 28. Then the third one is, that is minus 3 by 4 into 7. Minus 21 by 28. Now we will arrange them in the ascending order. Which is the smallest one is here minus 12, minus 42, minus 21. Minus 42 by 28, minus 21 by 28, minus 12 by 28. So this implies that minus 42 by 28 means that is minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Then afterwards minus 21 by 28 means minus 3 by 4. And then minus 3 by 7. Minus 3 by, I hope, see, I think you can't see that one. Better I will work and I will show here. I hope this you have taken already. So ascending order, which is the biggest one there? Minus 42 by 28. Minus 42 by 28 is the smallest. Next comes minus 21 by 28. Minus 12 by 28. Minus 42 by 28 means which one that is? Minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2, ascending order. Minus 21 by 28 means minus 3 by 4. And then next comes, which one that is? Minus 12 by 28 is minus 3 by 7. So this is what ascending order of this. By this, okay, this concludes the exercise 9.1. Thank you for watching, share and subscribe my channel.